Here's how to turn on dark mode on YouTube app and desktop. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can turn on dark mode on your YouTube app and desktop. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, I'm just going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on your app, and then we'll go towards desktop. So it's very simple. Just go and open up your YouTube app. And here, as you can see, I'm on light mode and it looks like, very weird to me because I always use dark mode. So what you simply need to do is just go to your main profile, and it will show you your name and everything. But what you need to do is just go ahead and press on settings on the corner, the gear. And once you press on it, just go ahead and press general, and then you'll see the option of appearance. Just go ahead and press on appearance and then change the theme to dark theme. And here you go, you've successfully turned on dark mode on YouTube. And now let's just go to our desktop. So yeah, here we are on desktop, and you pretty much need to go to your web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. You can just use any other web browser. It's pretty much the same. But yeah, here, as you can see, once you're inside YouTube, you just gotta search up YouTube and it'll show you this. But you just simply need to go ahead and press on your profile picture, which has your icon in it. And right over here, it will show you these options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on appearance and then change it to dark theme, and here you are. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can turn on dark mode on both mobile app and desktop on YouTube. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.